It's been 10 minutes.
All the sun, all the vibes, all the people.
It's been 10 minutes. But so far, bro.
So far.
Why you calling me? What'd you call me?
I'm fasting.
What'd you call me?
I'm fasting.
What'd you call me?
I'm fasting.
What did you say?
Darren Watkins. I'm fasting.
Who was that?
Open up,
Joshua,
open up,
I'm fasting.
open up.
Who is Darren Watkins?
You.
That's not my name.
You're Darren Watkins, man.
My name's Christopher Nolan.
Who's there? Who's there now?
This is a valiant.
Bomba Clan!
This is a valiant. One of Jamaica's greatest dancehall artists.
Good.
I'm back there. Yo, what are the yo, are you need the easier bike for ride, or do you want to ride this one?
I want to ride this one.
Alright, here we go. Make him show you how.
I want to ride this one.
He's gonna show you how to ride it.
I know how to ride it.
Bike, yeah. Body.
Freedom fighters. So right here is actually our only female hero. She's our heroine, Nanny of the Maroons.
Nanny of the Maroons.
So the Maroons actually fought for freedom and were marooned up in the hills of Jamaica, right? But here it is. She negotiated with the British and she said, guess what? We want our freedom, you have to give us land and you can't touch that land. And that treaty was actually signed into reality, which still stands today.
For real?
Maroons are still here in the hills and nobody can govern their land but them. Isn't that badass?
That's the secret sauce of Jamaica.
Oh, come on now. Look,
That's...
I have goosebumps in the sun. Look at that.
Damn,
Look at that.
Wait, you do got goosebumps.
Wait,
why you got goosebumps right now?
Because I'm emotional about Nanny. You would be great too if you knew your ancestors fought that kind of fight. Come on.
Man, hey, hold on, wait. Do you think I'm Jamaican?
I mean, we can check. Come, okay. So this is Sam Sharp, another one of our heroes. This is George William Gordon.
George William Gordon.
Yep, we're gonna keep going. What
okay. Yeah, she's giving me a whole Jamaican history lesson.
Yeah. And
George, Nancy Noren.
No, Nanny of the Maroons.
Oh, Nanny.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, she's on the $5 bill.
So look, on the money here, that's Nanny of the Maroons, and that's Sam Sharp. So literally, on the backs of these people is why that's why, you know how they say, you ever hear somebody say, Jamaicans don't frighten for nobody. We respect everybody, but nobody don't better than we. You know that? Like you pat your chest, you say nobody don't better than me.
Nobody better than me.
Whoa. Wait a minute.
Nobody better than me.
No. Come again. Nobody better than me.
Nobody better than me.
And then say, Yendi says so.
Yendi says so.
I'm Yendi, by the way. Nice to meet you. I'm former Miss Universe.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. This is.
All right. So this is Paul Bogle, another one of our heroes, and this now, come on, Speed. This is Marcus Messiah Garvey. Now, hear me out. I know you just came from an African tour, right? And you probably saw Marcus all over Africa, but Marcus is born right here in Jamaica. A Jamaican born right here in St. Anne in Jamaica. But hear what? He is a person who literally advocated for black people to understand their power. He was just like, listen, we are a united race. We're a mighty race. Together we are more powerful. So he's like, I'm not negotiating with nobody else. We can run
Nobody
this.
better than me.
No. Bada.
Better than me.
Yeah, right there so.
Nobody better
So that's
than me.
Marcus Garvey. He's also, by the way, our first national hero that we've ever had. That's Marcus Garvey.
And also he's the reason why there's the black star in the flag of Ghana. So
There
you're
you
a
go.
Ghanaian,
Yeah.
He's the reason why there's a black star is in the flag.
Really?
Yeah, because of his black star line.
That's
All
crazy.
right, this is Sir William Alexander Bustamante, and this is Norman Washington Manley.
Norman.
Say hi to girls.
What's up, ladies?
You know that Jamaican dance move already?
Jamaica dance move.
Yeah, you know the dance move already? The bogle? Hey.
The bogle. You look good today? Yeah! Dad! What's up, boy? Good to see you, man. It's good to see you, Dad.
Dude, made it to Jamaica.
You made
I
it.
got a shirt and everything.
Damn!
We think the string fit.
What you doing in KFC?
They get some chicken.
Yo, my dad.
I gotta go.
I miss you, Dad.
I gotta go get some chicken.